So, Gemini. So, welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. September 1 to 7 po yung ating reading. So, knock, Gemini. So, shout out po ako sa mga OFW na mga sumusubaybay. Welcome. So, hope everybody is doing well. So, ingat po tayo. Ingat at tawanan lang po natin yung mga nakikita natin sa news dahil nakakatawa. Lalo na yung DPWH na lumulubog. Pinagdaanan ko po yan. Kaya ako nag-OFW na lang kasi kolehiyo pa ako lumuluso na ako sa baha. So alam ko yan. So very depressing po ba? Di ba? Tumanda na ako. Tumanda na ako in everything salamat. Okay. I just thankful. Pero pinagdaanan ko yan. At dyan ko yun yung malala. Makikita kung gaano grabe yung bansa natin. Walang pagbabago. Na nakalbo na ako in everything. Pero ganun pa rin, bumabaha, kaya ayoko umuwi minsan. So, okay, nakasana all ito, Gemini. Celebration. Okay, puro to Oscar Award moments ito. Concert hall na palaging pinapalakpakan ka ng tao. Ina-admire ka. Okay, yes. Meron mang ganyang energy mo. Yan ba yung pakiramdam mo ngayon? Yan na ang mangyayari. You manifested it. Manifest. Yes? So, yan ang mga hinihintay natin Ano pa ba ang lolokohin pa natin yung sarili natin kaya nga tayo nag-abroad, di ba? Gusto mo maging star. Yung respect. And sometimes superficial minsan yung respect Kailangan madami kang pera o maganda ka o gwapo ka o makisig ka or mamahalin yung bag mo. Yes? Pero ikaw yata ang hinahanap mo, Gemini, yung na-connect sa puso mo. Mukhang alam mo yung meaning, yung definition mo ng pagiging star it's deeper. It's deeper. Agree? Yes? Meron bang ganyan? Oops. Naglolo ko itong baraha. Okay, Gemini, September 1 to 7. Kumuha na lang po kayo ng kape at magkwentuhan tayo. Tignan natin. Let's not take tarot seriously. Pero it's a depiction of life cycle. So, Gemini, tignan natin. Hindi ko po masasabing mananalo ka sa sweepstake. Kung otherwise, nanalo na ako. Nurturing, success, it's all about living yung star moments. Yes, more sa nagtatrabaho kamukha ko OFW, ito na yung bonus na hinihintay mo. Yes, yan na yung bonus na hinihintay mo. Kasi gusto mong bumiyahe, gusto mong mag-shopping, gusto mong pumunta sa spa, gusto mong yung mga ganong dati while nagtatrabaho ka, nagsusunog ng kilay o ano man ginagawa mo, yung effort, that's effort. Hindi ka naman nakakuha ng accolade na yan kung hindi mo pinaghirapan. Yes? Gemini. So, ganyan ba? September 1 to 7. So, tignan natin kung itong sinabi ng tarot card na darating sa'yo. Puro ka party o puro excess. Sana hindi to excesses sa lifestyle Meron kang decision na gagawin. And it costs and that decision moving to yung foundation. Kung ano man. Again, decision. Let's say, ito naman OFW, simple. So, hindi ganun kadali ang mag-OFW. It takes a lot of courage. And to go to that stage of yung proseso, alam nyo yan, ang daming mga dokumento, ang daming Pag naisip ko yun, it's just stressful. Agree? Yes? So, nagkaroon ka ng indecision, sa kahahanap ng, alam mo na, ang dami. Okay? Alam nyo yan. So, and then, that's the basis for your foundation to achieve your dream here. You are dreaming. You have the dream. You are the dream. Oh, okay. It works both ways. You're doing it because you have obligation. You're doing it because you gusto mo na maging ehemplo ka at maging example sa mga nasa taong ayaw umalis sa kahirapan. And you want to move to that abundance. Kung kung nasa stage ka na nakarating ka na and you've been working and earning good in what you are doing, and then nandun ka na sa graduation na you already in the stage of promotion tipo. And that's what you're looking. And because pinanggalingan mo, ngayon umiikot ka ulit sa cycle na you are deciding something again. Meron mga yan, Gemini. Kasi na-achieve mo na yung stage na yun eh. Nalagpasan mo na yung isang stage ng legwork. Oops, ang dami nito. Tignan ko. Right. Okay. May tower moment. Nakabaliktad siya eh. Merong nangyari na hindi or na nag-wake up call sa'yo. Meron kang wake up call. Ay, kunin ko siya as upright. Nagkaroon ka ng okay. Ano bang magandang example to? Maaring na-terminate ka sa previous job and all of a sudden, yun ang mga tower moment mo. Or I don't want to give na example kasi iba-iba yung maaring tower moment natin eh. Minsan relationship yan eh. Masakit, okay? Or anything painful. Tower moment, it's always painful, mga kaibigan. Tinatawanan ko lang, hindi po ako nagtatawa na tumatawa na because I had marami ako na experience na tower moments ko rin sa career ko. Okay? Yes? And you're gonna have another tower moment. For me, tower moment is good. Minsan ayaw mo na, it's not working out. So, tower moment, yung universe na. Another example is, meron akong isang kaibigan, meron tower moment and nagbasa ako and I saw there's a shift ng movement. So, ang sabi ko is, ang universe is sinasabi na lumipat ka. Lumipat in a sense of lumipat ka sa bahay, a change of actual physical. Hindi naman kasi sinabi ng tarot yung there's a movement, pero you have to move because the universe is there are signs na yung employer niya sinasabihan na siya na tatapusan na yung kontrata, etc. Yun na it's all written on the wall. Walang makuwang proyekto, things like that, okay? So, pero lumaban pa rin siya na to keep that area. Kung nandun kasi yung comfort zone eh. Apparently, yung comfort zone na yun, the universe has other better things. So, something, okay, again, not so nice happen and that could have prevented yung impact ng tower moments because meron ng mga signs. And again, sabi ko, maybe mali ako ng basa or whatsoever. So we just say that, okay, so you just keep the status quo. But there was even a bigger tower moment na the universe had other plans na hindi ka na dapat dyan. Yes? So, meron bang ganyan, Gemini? So, I'm not saying this will be for everybody. Yung timeline again. So, situation na hindi ka na dapat dyan. Kasi, Hindi masaya yung amo niya sa kanya. Palaging lahat ng tipong kamalian, nakikita pero hindi nakikita yung tama. No matter how small. So, those are the signs. Na-stress, palaging inom na lang ng inom. You know, those kind of things affected ka. There was the sign of a coming tremor. Parang ano din yan parang yung nature, that's how nature works, di ba? Yung high na tsunami or, is because nagkaroon ng earthquake under the ground. Pero nakita mo na yung sign. So, you have to leave that area. Yes? So, that's the tower moment that na-experience ng kakilala ko, Gemini. So, again, not everybody, kung hindi sa inyo pa yung tower moment na yon. So, that's how universe works. So, nagkaroon pa siya ng another multiple tower moments until dumating na yung tipong totally nasaid yung financials and everything, lost the job, and they have to move now. Yung sitwasyon hindi it's not it's not, the risk was not calculated properly. Okay? Like investment in stocks, nakikita mo naman yung economy, mataas yung oil, mataas yung interest rate, so babagsak yung stock. So you need to get out of that investment. Nakikita mo na yung signs So, nakita ko na yung signs, and nakita namin yung signs, and we've been talking about that signs. Sabi ko, lumipat ka. But she has that fear. I understand that. But all the signs are written. Yung mga messages, communications, in-ignore yung signs, but the universe doesn't work that way. Nagkaroon ng earthquake, so tsunami will come in. So the tsunami come and it caused even more problem. Now, I think she's happy now just to share the story, and this is the same situation I can see here, and that's what they're having now. That is a celebration, and that's a painful process. So yan sinasabi ko, walang tower moment na because it teaches us a lesson. Yes? Meron mga ganyan, Gemini? Are you in the tower moment? So, the tower moment, kung ano man yung signs na nakikita, let's use our instinct. That's why you have this mother nature and the feminine energy of intuitiveness. Ikaw lang yun i-connect mo yung connection na yan, the sign, that's the communication with the universe. Everybody has that intuition and instinct, but we just preoccupied ourselves sa mga nonsense. Yes? Or yung earthly possessions. Yes, meron mang ganyan, Gemini. So, yung tower moment, yung signs, I think that you're referring to the signs here. Yung signs hindi mo nabasa, it's written all over the wall. So, wag ka, ang take ko dito is, wag ka na magpatumpik-tumpik. Whatever the sign is telling you. Meron kang decision Again, not everybody ganun kadaling magdesisyon. I understand. I completely understand po. But there was a sign. Yes? So, meron bang ganyan, Gemini? Kuha ako. Gamitin ko yung isa kong card dito. Pasensya na po kapag umuubo-ubo ako. Saturday, Gemini. September 1 to 7. Meron kang dapat iwanan. Or iniwan, natapon, akala mo, pinagsintiran mo. So, September 1 to 7, Gemini. So, I will stop after this card. Okay, darating na siya. Kung ano yung hinihintay mo. Kung ano yung hinihintay mo, dumating na o darating na. Wala ka bang hinihintay? Meron ka yung decision. Naghihintay ka ba ng liwanag? Hindi ka makapagdesisyon. I will wrap this with with one big message is yung hinihintay mo, yung decision mo, kung nakapag-decision ka o hindi, tama yun. Tama yun. Gemini, September 1 to 7. Sana all moments ito. Okay, one card para kay Gemini. Tignan natin yung last message ng buwan, ng Moon Oracle. Gemini, tignan natin. Tignan po natin mga kapatid. Kwentuhan po tayo, shout out tayo kung nag-resonate or something na nakakonect. You have to, basahin ko na yung dalawa. You have to message, sabi dito. Now is a good time to focus on achieving your own personal goals. Ito ba yung personal goals mo na ito? Sabi ng waxing moon, okay? Personal goals daw, darating yan. Sabi ng Aries moon, remain sensitive to others to avoid confrontation. Okay. Hindi ko na alam ito. Para sa'yo na ito. Kung meron kang ganyan. Dahil nga, meron kang desisyon. At yung tower moment, ito yung tipong nanalo ka ng loto or something. Something big came in. At marami kang maaaring maiwan or inggit. O bakit pumasok yun? Because for you, that's you work hard for it. It's time to focus on achieving your personal goal. Mukhang na-achieve mo na or ma-achieve mo na. Yes. So Gemini, yeah. So more sales ito, maraming benta ito. Kumbaga sa kung ahente ka, marami kang benta. September 1 to 7 Gemini. So salamat po. See you again.